Good day everyone, this is Muhammad Ali Sultan and welcome back to Sir Zen's channel. Okay, let us solve some mathematics problem. Number 3. Three brothers inherited a cash amount of $62,000 and they divided it among themselves in the ratio of 5:4:1. How much more is the larger share than the smallest share? Letter A, $75,000, letter B, $30,000, letter C, $24,000, and letter D, $37,000. Okay, so the given here are $62,000 and also the ratio of 5:4:1, and we will be looking for the larger share than the smallest share, or the difference between the largest share and the smallest share. Okay, so let the three numbers be 5x, 4x, and x, and so that the ratio will still be 5:4:1. So this is a partitive or partition. This is a partitive ratio. Okay, so just add 5x plus 4x plus x, then be equal to 62,000. Okay, so if we add that one, so we have 10x is equal to 62,000. Just divide both sides by 10. Okay, just divide both sides by 10, so we have 10x divided by 10 is equal to 62,000 divided by 10. So if we divide that one, then 10x over 10, so cancel out the number 10 in the numerator and the denominator, and also 62,000 divided by 10, just cancel 0 in the numerator. Okay, so we have x is equal to 6,200. Okay, 6,200. So that is the smallest one, because our smallest one here is x. So x is equal to 6,200. And then we now subtract the 5x. So if we subtract that, 5x minus x is equal to 4x. Okay, 4x. So just multiply the 4 by 6,200. Okay, just multiply that one. So if we multiply that, we will be having a 24,800. So the larger share, so there is 24,800 larger share than the smallest share, or that is the difference between the largest share and the smallest share. So the answer is letter C, $24,000. And that's all. Thank you for watching.